How to find groups notifications settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find groups notifications settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and here you will see settings and then click notifications and here you will find this one, groups. And as you see here, you can manage groups notifications. Just manage here anything you want and then go back, it will be saved. And that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.